Rosebuds, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Rosemary, also known as ByRMA on all social media, but I'll leave that link down below for you guys. So today I decided to film this look using the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. Look how bomb these colors are. Like, they scream rose, especially this over here, which is what I use on my bottom. So if you're interested in learning how to create this look and just learning some tips and tricks, make sure you stay tuned and I will see you guys later. Before we begin, I do like to moisturize my lips, and I'm going to be using the Tasha Gold Spun Lip Balm. Just because nobody likes chapped lips. So moving on, I'm going to be using the Stroke Cream from MAC, and I just got a small sample size because I wanted to try it out. I just got a little sample and I'm like loving this, so I think I'm going to go back and definitely get a bigger size. Gives you like a glow within, you know? So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I hope this is my color because I haven't used this in such a long time. Let's pray. And I'm just using a pure sponge. And you kind of just want to dab it all over the skin. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Shape Tape from Tarte Cosmetics. And I'm in the shade Light Neutral. So I like to conceal and highlight at the same time, so that's why I go a couple of shades lighter. And I also like to use this for my eyeshadow base. So I put some on my lid. Go ahead and blend everything up. And you just want to like dab it into the skin, like pressing it into the skin, not like, you know. Guys, I'm really trying with this terminology because, like, I don't know if I'm saying it right. I hope I am. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. I don't know if it's a sponge, but something smells like mint. It smells good though. Cover those bags because I've been sick lately, so I haven't gotten much sleep. Even though the mints have been working. Alright, so to set the face, I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun in Translucent. It's a really inexpensive powder, but it's bomb, you guys. I'm very oily, so I'm just going to set the T-zone a little bit more. Especially my nose and my forehead. Using the same powder and a big kabuki brush, I'm going to set the entire face. Moving on, I'm going to be bronzing the face using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. Let's warm up the forehead, the jawline, because you know, when you got a double chin, you gotta contour that. We're gonna leave the face like this for now, and we're gonna move on to eyes, and then we'll continue to work on the face. Today we're gonna be using the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and it looks something like this. So this is what the palette looks like. It brings 9 beautiful shades. So I'm gonna first go in with this shade right here, the yellow one. So I'm gonna go in with an Anastasia double-ended brush that comes with their palettes. I really don't think that this camera is focusing right. I hope it does though. We're gonna go in with this shade right here. And that, we're just gonna bring it a little bit more lower than we did with that yellow. Using the same brush too, so. Girl, we gonna pack that on. Yo, these shadows are so pigmented. Going back with that brush that has a little bit of yellow in it, but not picking anything extra. Then picking up a pencil brush. This is a Zoeva Luxe brush. We're gonna be picking up this shade right here. Oh, child. Kind of want to put it on the outer corner and then just drag it inward. Then picking up a fluffy brush with no shadow, we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. And this is a Morphe M330. All right, well, we're getting somewhere. Kind of looks nice. You know, after all that blending, it looks nice. So we're gonna cut the crease. For that, I'm gonna be using an angled brush from It Cosmetics and the Pro Concealer from LA Girl. You kind of want to pick up a generous amount of concealer onto your brush. Kind of like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna look down on the mirror and you're gonna start from the inner corner, and you kind of want to go in sections because you don't want to mess this up. I don't want to go all the way out today, not for this look at least. And then you want to get any like dense brush, I guess you could call it. This is the other side of the Anastasia brush. And I just want to tap it and then blend it out. Because you don't really want it to go anywhere. And then right here, you just want to blend that out a little bit too. But it's okay if this doesn't look so blended out, because we are going to go back in with shadow to blend that out a little bit more. And you gotta cut crease. And make sure you take your time. You're not gonna get it perfect the first time, but you know what, girl? Practice makes perfect. I don't even get it right the first time sometimes, so I'm sure it'll be your whole All right, cool. So we got that done. So for the lid, I'm going to be using this shadow from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. It's in the shade Blanc. I'm going to be picking that up with a Real Techniques brush. Now to blend that out, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. I'm going with that red shade one more time. Put that on the outer part of our lid just to darken that up a little bit. I'm gonna pick up that brush with no shadow and kind of just blend everything out. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a little bit of yellow because I do want to blend that out a little bit more. It Cosmetics number 105. Now that we have that done, I'm gonna go in with the It Cosmetics Superhero eyeliner. All right, girl. Usually I would do this off camera, but maybe I'm gonna do it off camera. Let's skip that part. I'm gonna move into brows. Like I said, if you want to see how I do my brows, make sure you check out my previous video where I did teach a little bit in depth of how I get my brows the way I do. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue. We came to slay, girl. I'm gonna finish up the other eye, put some mascara and some falsies, and I'll be right back. All right, so now that I have the lashes on, guys, these are like my favorite lashes. Like, you have no idea. If you have any recommendations on any balm lashes that you would want me to try out or anything like that, leave them in the comment section down below, because I love me some fluffy, beautiful lashes. Now that the lashes are on, I'm going to work on the bottom of the eyes and then finish off with the face, and we should be done. Look at snatch that beautiful. I'm going to go in with this blue right here. I'm going to use that same little pencil brush. Just going to clean it off on some paper towel. All right, wish me luck. We gonna definitely make it work. No, it's cute, you know? Going in with this shade right here. Same brush. I'm gonna bring that in the inner corner. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wet the brush. Oh, yes. Definitely feeling that color. So I'm gonna grab another pencil brush because that one now is wet, and I'm gonna pick up that same dark color again. Doesn't it look bomb? If you got contacts, you know the struggle when you have like eyeshadow or anything that goes into your contacts. I won't complain. I think it looks really, really pretty. You know what I'm gonna do? I just thought of something. You see that blue right there? We're gonna grab a little bit of that. And I'm grabbing a fluffy brush to kind of blend it a little bit more out. And I think we're all set with this look. I'm kind of happy. I'm really excited. Ooh, yes, girl. So today I'm going to be using these two combinations, plus obviously my Marc Jacobs lipstick, because God, I love a glossy lip. I'm going to be doing the Kat Von D Lolita and then topping it off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Pure Hollywood. And this is in the shade French Tickler. Let's go ahead and set the face, and then we're gonna be putting some highlight. This is the Milani Make It Last. It smells amazing. For highlight, I use the Zoeva, it's called the crease brush, the 228, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna be using Anastasia Glow Kit today and my Mako Darling. So I'm gonna be using these two. So I'm gonna spray the brush. You already know. I'm gonna dab into O Darling first. And then I'm gonna be going into Dripping Gold and a little bit of Bubbly. Like, damn, don't mind that little pimple, that little guy right there. But girl, you see that highlight? We're trying to like blind everyone. Blind our exes, blind our siblings, blind the haters, blind just everyone. And me like slow motion for you. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you genuinely liked and learned something from this video. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up on your way out. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the Rosebud family. Would love to have you here. Duh, who wouldn't? But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to be using the Sharp Tape. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Shape Tape. I really don't know what's going on with my hair. I'm just going to pretend that it looks really nice. Just try not to turn on the air extractor thing, because that makes mad noise. Yo, I look mad white.